Alrighty then, mic check, mic check. We are back for the afternoon session. Oh, it's getting spicy and dicey. Man, oh man, it is getting just a little bit too easy on a candy day. I'm getting a little spoiled here. Sorry, I got some background stuff going on here. Let me pull this. Alright, let's send it into some of this political stuff, man. Watched Brett Bear last night. Unravel Kamala. Let's see. Don't forget trading is risky and all that business. Up 7K on the day thanks to this. We had two of these while I was over here listening in to this stuff. Eating a little. Actually, I didn't eat much. But yeah. At lunch. Had that one and had another one. Where was the dropout? So that was the dropout. We also had, I believe I had an up move as well. Pull up our... Yes, look at this one. This is one, I mean, you don't, in my opinion, now you can do you can do you. But for me, when this comes up like this, it's so big I can't fit it on the screen. Yeah, when one of these shows up, I'm in. So there's a triple ready up in there. There's one, there's two, and then there is three. And it is right around a Cipher Shark. Cipher Shark structure. After a trap, you can clearly see it's one of my favorite types of traps down there. Trapped. Shark PRZ pushes it up and up and up and up and up and up. First pullback with a nice straight leg, right? Do I believe a sexy leg like that? Nope. So we know people are going to start getting back short because they're like, oh, remember how this was a big down move over here? Everybody's still looking down. Perfect trap. Now this is the what? LOH. What does LOH stand for? Put it in your notes if you don't remember. Leg of hope. Right, it's our final hope. I hope it's going to go back down there. Wrecked. Carnage. And there they go. They're trying to add in right here. And our system detected it. And they're like, you guys are about to get knocked. There's Vinny getting loaded up right there. Load me up, baby. And then boom. Wish I would have held it a little bit longer, honestly. But I killed it right in front of that pink line. In case it came back down. I thought it would come back down a little bit and give me another entry. It didn't. You know, woulda, shoulda, couldas. Great trade to brush it on there. Put me at 5K. Then got me another big one on the drop. If you guys heard the audio box just banging away, I literally sprinted over here to my desk, started pressing the sell button. Then it popped up a little bit for me, added some more, and then boom, got the dropout for a bit more. Let's show that one. Let's come down here to the lower left, bottom left here. I think we can scroll to the left here and turn Control E on. Yeah. So on the you can see kind of the trap set up again. Sexy leg straight up, right? We know who's getting trapped. There's trap one. Zoop. Trap two. Chugga, chugga, chugga. Okay, we're going to go. Gives everybody time to start getting in. And carnage. All of a sudden, here comes. And this happened very quickly. This is where you started to hear audio box. The audio box was clack, so I start catching in here. It pops up. I'm just adding to my position. And then now I didn't like that. Yeah, there's a potential to come up here, so I peeled off half right here, but she ended up just dropping all the way out there for me, closing up the rest of the position right there. Gotta love it. Got to love it. It was a beautimous play. Getting me up to 7K here this afternoon. So we're going for a 5-figure day on Candy Day once again. Let's go. Are you guys ready? Type 10K in the chat. Let's get some 10K hype in the chat. I'm going to go for 10K worth of damages here this afternoon. Let's pick up some more bags, shall we? 7K, 7-11. I like that. 11K. I'll take 11. I'll deal with some 11K in the hype. Let's do it. All right, trying to pull the chat up here. Give me a moment. Pop it on screen here for us. There we go. What's up, Missile Silo? 10K hype in the chat. Okay. We've got triple ready ups coming in here again. I'm just gonna go for it. Triple ready ups into a it's a shark. Shark on king timing. Also into R1, but why am I not seeing R1 here? Oh, it's there. You can barely see it. There's R1 in there. Can y'all see that? It's R1 in there. So it came into R1. The only thing that makes that a little bit dangerous there, because those daily pivot scenarios sometimes will float around them, so it might be a little more heat than I would want to take here. But I think we're going to have potentially another Titanic zone. Let's draw on the Titanic zone here. Be here to here. Titanic zone. Come on, let me change the color. Make sure got our hotkeys ready to go. $120K. Now we're talking. $19K. $12K. There we go. Gotta shoot for the moon, and if I miss around the stars, is that what we're doing there?
Enigma short on the EM1.
Oh, I stepped away for a second. Trying to go check my hotkey stickers. All right, 13.2 Enigma. Oh man, didn't get filled. So that could be a good sign. It could be a good sign to the short side when you don't get even filled when you're trying to trying to catch an ask. Up top, we got a cross here on the higher time frame 4s. You know, one of the other things we should check out. I don't think I turned off real-time protection earlier today. Ooh, shnikes. All right, real-time protection off there. There we go. Okay, so they did fill me there. Up into 13.2. I'm just watching this, how it approaches into the Enigma here. I kind of call it touching the moon. And the price actually touches the little moon, or Enigma being the moon. So it had a hard time filling me twice on Ask. Hey, JJ Kelly, good to see you. Glad to see you back. Hopefully you weren't too offended by my questions to you yesterday. Yeah, that's a good idea. Test the hotkeys on a burner account before every session. Good idea there. Smart man right there. Artie. Having a hard time letting me size up. Barely get asks. I know, I need to do that. Remind me. Please don't let me forget. Yeah, I want to get that SMLK on the higher time frames. I do. Okay, we have shifted back to neutral. What's our time? 2:43, so about a minute and a half. Or 2:45. Okay, 30 seconds till 3:45. So the 15 bar, 15, you know, we got 15s, 5s, 1s, all kind of complete up at that area. Currently neutral. We don't go into buy area. Don't want to be getting into the buy side. Would like to, okay, there's 2:45. I'd like them to fake up and drop down, form me a even better trap than the one that's sitting there. I mean, like a nice trap to me. We had straight leg up, 2 down, oof. We'll see. Going with the Enigma here. See what we got. We've got the triple ready ups here, kind of clustered together. We made the up move to it. Looking for a bigger turn. Titanic moves. I've said it numerous times now if you've been watching through the live streams that you have to be more patient with a Titanic move. Not always. Sometimes when the tighter they are together, the less time you have to wait. What I have seen. Okay, we are past 15 minutes and we don't have 50 likes. Don't make me cut it early, folks. Smash that like button. Okay, that should hopefully fake everybody out to the upside and we start getting down. It would be great.
DCDMEM on the 1.
Oh boy, clusters up. All right. I'll add in on it. See if this is going to be the turn or not. Oh, we got an ICT Uber driver just showed up. Make sure you deliver my burger hot and on time, or no tip. Pro tip. You're welcome. Thanks for dropping by. As we used to like to say in the 90s, word to your mother. We know you live with her. Tell her we said hi. Oh, okay, we just went moderate buy. I'm gonna half up here. I am half as enthused, half as confident there as that shifts off of sell side to neutral, went by. Would love a red rover, or in this case a green rover. Watch to see if this pops back to neutral. If it does, that's good news. All right, we'll re-engage. Inside the Titanic zone. Hey, how are you, Mr. Klininkin? Good to see you, sir.
Divergence down EM on the 89.
89 level divergence. All right, so let's see if we're gonna get this trap up here. Let's see, high of day. Good ways up there, 43,550. So about to break that Enigma, unfortunately. All eyes on that Mac VU right now. Hoping we're gonna green rover here. All right, what's our time? 10 seconds till the 255 completes. Okay, here we are, 255. Another 5-minute bar completing, and just gonna go pop this. Just in case we explode. I've seen weirder things, especially right here before the final hour. Titanic zones take just a little bit too much time. All right, 2 minutes till the top of the hour. Got my fingers over the hotkeys over the close. Hey, little Guardy. Thanks for coming and hanging out. Don't I miss some cute moments like this? I do. It is. This is torturously slow, yes. We're waiting on paint to dry, yeah. But I committed to you guys for a month to say, hey, for 1 full month, I will show you guys trading other things. RTY, the Dow, and because it will be slower, we'll have more time to talk and train. I mean, you guys missed this morning's live stream. You do not want to miss out. You want to check out today's live stream. It was almost... the entire thing was walking through, particularly around thoughts and processes around trying to quantify trading for a living. All right, I'm gonna kill this. Don't know what's doing here. We're inside the Titanic zone. We are on buy side. We haven't popped back yet. We caught back to neutral. I'll get on it. Okay, size appropriately. Okay. Yeah, we'll see if we stay inside this Titanic zone. Feels like they're faking it up. And we know they are to be releasing in this area. All right, I'll re-engage here and oh my word, Boston. I meant to hit add stop. Okay, there we go. Went back neutral. Let me go deuces. Okay, we green rovered. Green rovered. Go back to red, baby, and let me load the boat. Let daddy load the boat. Let daddy load the boat. Come on. Go red for me. Go red for me. Go red. Go red for me.
Double delta EM on the 1.
Let daddy load the boat. Go red. Go red. All eyes on the Mac VU right now. I want to see it go red for the green rover. To complete it out, it's got to go red for the full red rover. Go red, Mac VU. Go red. Don't go back green, bro. Don't go back green. Go red, young man. Go red. Five seconds till 3:05. Fingers on hotkeys. Go red. Go red already. Come on, it's costing me. I'm hearing Don's words in my mouth, in my mind right now. You pay for confirmation, don't you? I'm paying for confirmation. I'm waiting on red for my confirmation. I should have had it already up there. It didn't fill me. I tried to do an ask earlier to get bigger. It didn't let me. No fill. Back to R1. Go red. Paying for confirmation, aren't I, Don? Come on, Mac VU. Red me, bro. Red. Come on, red. Come on, red. Hmm. 306. Did not go red. Come on, go red. Here comes king timing. Go red. Get the other instruments coming with you. Come on now. Come on now, Dow. Who's still hanging tight over there? In queue. Rusty. Old Russell. Is it Rusty giving us problems? Rusty not getting with the program. Story of my life. Okay, king timing. King timing. Stop making me pay for confirmation. Just do it. Oh, boy. Oh, no. It went back green. Oh, man. Fun party. Fun party might be over. Boo. Would have been way more fun to see that go red. Okay, so we're no longer a green rover. So all we're sitting here still trying to play off of is that. And... Oi, oi, oi. Back to my point of entry. Half up. I'll be half as confident. If that had gone red, man, that would have been so awesome. But no, she might not be ready yet. What's our time? 3:07. We might have another run up, fake up, get it closer to the high of day. We'll see how this plays in this cipher here. Still inside the Titanic zone, but barely. Like a nice... Oh, man. Make that beautiful trap. Please. Make that beautiful bull trap. Please make that a beautiful blue trap. Oh, do it. Beautiful, beautiful bull trap. Do it. Don't run me, bro. $3.09. Might be 1 minute to find out. Bye. Bye. Okay, cipher. Hold and push. Come on. Push her down. Do it. Don't crack it. Oh, crack the cipher. Shark might be the last spot of hope. This is the leg of hope. Oof. The wrong place for a leg of hope. That's a real deal. Approaching prior pivot. Have I mentioned Titanic zones take forever? I don't know. When they float them up here like this, they'll oftentimes make a run. Frigate versus the speedboat. Yeah. What I do like here is that it looks so up that it's, I mean, I'll generally, if it's a trap style day, I mean, I would love that little up move there to go. I mean, it looks like, okay, everybody should be starting to look to the upside, and if it don't, drop me back in. I'm inside the Titanic zone. Just kind of came right outside of it though, so eesh. I see the shark hold, but don't know. Do you need to officially mark that? The first enigma that didn't work out. Quite a while. Time 3:13. New bar on the 38s. Okay, shark back, hold for me. Okay, 3:15. Make a note, shark back held. So red harmonics are still holding. Take a note to the left. Harmonic held. Harmonic held. Harmonic held. Thing I didn't like was that this went back. Greener nader. Awesome for the Red Rover. Got to acknowledge your pros with your cons with your pros. Acknowledge the dangers. Back inside the Titanic waters. Water feels warm. That's nice. You know why it feels even warmer? See who's got a good joke. You know why the water is just a little bit warmer up here now? Water's just a little warmer. Can you tell? Why is it just a little bit warmer? If you answered, because I probably peed in it, you're probably right. I'm a bit heavy in it for it to sit up there like that. It made me pee a little, I'll be honest. It was probably me peeing in the water. That nice warm feeling you're feeling right now, you are welcome. Kids, don't pee in the pool, but feel free to pee in the ocean. All right, now what we want to see a crack of that cipher, don't we? We want to see a crack of that cipher, and we want to see a crack of the shark. Then we're loading the boat. Come on.
Double delta EM on the one.
There we go. Ready up. Oh boy. Now I just don't want to see a pop up in that shark. I'm going full regalia. Titanic zone. Everybody type TZ in the chat. For good luck. Oh, who needs luck? We just need the market to do what we tell it to do. Just kidding, market. Don't get mad at me. Just joking, bro. Just joking, bro. Joking. Joking, bro. Don't get all pissy.
Double delta EM on the one.
Oh boy. We're on neutral. Go red. Go red. Go red for me, baby.
Double delta EM.
No! Triple ready up. Are you kidding me? You're going to make me peel at 8K? I wanted 10. All right. I had to lighten up there for obvious reasons. A triple ready up into sharks. Let's see what happens here. I was up as high as 8 plus K there. Was trying to hold out for 10. But a triple ready up and a shark back? Are you kidding me? At least we're neutral. If that breaks though, look out below.
Double delta EM on the one.
Yeah, baby. Come on. Go full position. Get full. Let me get full. Let me get full. Let me get full. Let me get full. Don't run without me. Let me get full. Okay. At least have a full position on. Trying to Superman it. Right. Adjusting my size appropriately. My ATMs set appropriately. Up 8K at the moment. The Titanic wants to steer again. Yeah, like, what did it do? It just bounce off the other iceberg? What's happening here? The lifeboats are holding the thing up now, looks like. What's the time? 3:22, and we got a new bar on the 38s. Ay vey, ay vey. Oh, please don't be a four-legged dog trap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it's a doggy head right here. Please just break down. Do not turn into a doggy head on R1. Do not doggy head on the R1. Don't. No. No. Bad dog. Bad dog. Bad dog. Sit. Sit, boo-boo. Sit. Bad dog. Bad dog. Bad dog. 4 LDT there. Eesh. 4 LDT with a triple ready up. We got a fourth though. I'm hoping that that just puts it off. We're in neutral. I don't want to see that go green. I'm all eyes here. I need to see the other instruments turn too. You start pushing back up. I gotta start killing. Bad dog. Daddy says not right now. $3.24. Bad dog. Bad dog. Let's see. All right, got my hotkeys in hand. Oh, bad dog. Creeping back up after a fast move down. Not cool, bro. Yeah, 4LDT is legit. No joke. Stopped it in its tracks. Oh. I'm at 8K here. Y'all think I should peel it? If you're not in a trade right now, give me some answers. Y'all think I should kill it right now? I think I should hold it. 8K would be a double bonus day, technically. Going for 4K. If I get 8, I mean, it's technically a 2. I'm risking it, though. This could totally be a 4 LDT. What's our time? 3:26. They could buy this dip so easy. BTFD time right now. It never went red on the Mac VU. That's what's making me nervous. If you tapped red, eesh. All right, I'm taking it. All right, 77.55. All right, let me think here for a second. All right. We're coming up on BTFD. We got 3 minutes to show the hand. I'm watching for the red. Now, what we have to also concern ourselves with, if it goes red, pops back to, I mean, we could be red rovering then. So got to be careful. I don't want to just pop in and go all in and think, okay, we're going to strong sell. It doesn't necessarily mean that. If it comes, then, okay, thank y'all for that suggestion. Yep, we peeled it. I'm feeling better about that because this is BTFD time. It's literally 3 minutes till the BTFD. Now we get up underneath here. Ah, let's go. Stars align.
Double delta EM on the 1.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm watching all eyes right here. We're currently neutral. I want my 10K. There's the 2-minute warning sliver. 2-minute warning sliver. And we got another ready up. I need to take the next play. What's it going to be? I'm going to arm short and I'm going to arm log and continuous. And I need to set this to an ATM for that to work. So I'm going to go 5 bigger. All right. If we get an Enigma anywhere around here, I want to take it. Full auto engaged. Wait, why is it bigger too? No, 5 bigger, 5 bigger, 5 bigger. There we go. Whew. I was like, dude, I'm not doing 2 contracts. We are sized up. ALGOBOX is not a democracy. Yeah, it's true. I'm ready. Just let me do it. 3:29. 1 minute till BTFD. 1 minute. 1 minute. 35 seconds. We are still in the Titanic zone. Trying to remember, we are still in the Titanic zone. That could just be loading it up. This could be the fake out move and the drop. That's my anticipation. I think this is all a fake up move. Here we go. 10 seconds. Trap them. Drop them. Get me R1. Get under R1, please. Okay. Waiting on red. Come on, Mac V. What are you doing, bro? Are you taking your sweet time? My. 3:30. My goodness. Titanic zone. Then a down move into a triples pushed up. My. The morning was such candy. Even the afternoon was candy. Afternoon, though, it's like, no, Vinny. Not doing 3 sessions that easy for you, bro. Gotta work for it. Ink you just dropped. Thank you for the 411 there. But sometimes it'll drop and then especially after a 4 LDT. We're going for 10K. Get some 10K hype in the chat. Waiting. It's on neutral. Just waiting for it to tell me which way, bro. Give me a sign. There was so much there. We had the triple. You know, we should just call that to triple ready because it's got two Ds. How about we spell it like this? Get it? Because it's got the two DDs in it. So the ready DD, ready D. There we go. All right, triple ready D. Plus a shark. Double shark. Yeah. Yep, so it had to be respected. All right, it's been respected. Now we wait. We got 27 minutes. Okay, so this is Medusa affected all in here. Medusa effect, Medusa effect, Medusa effect. Everybody's looking. Now it makes a fast move. What do I think? Fast move up. You think I believe that? Nope. So everybody's like, well, what's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? Now I got some speed up. Cool. Should get a retail. Taking a move. Let's see if we get a trap up here. We form the trap and then pop me red. Would love to see that. Oh, we broke 2 PRZs though, so not easy. Not gonna be easy. King timing still up in about 5 bars. Oh, buddy. All right, I'm going to start initiating a spot right here. I'll stop out quickly here behind the cross. I'm not going to risk a bunch here, but we got a PRZ, multi-PRZ cross here on a fast push up here. Thinking they're going to potentially trap everybody in there. We'll see. Not going to risk too much there on it, but that could be the beginning. And let's see. PRZ cross. Short, multi-PRZ. Still inside the Titanic zone, but not by much, right? Right above this, we're outside the Titanic zone. I mean, it's literally on the money on the Titanic zone.
Enigma short on the
Oh, buddy, and we just got Enigma'd in. Okay. Stop back behind the Enigma. Don't like that there's a cold target right back behind it. So it might be a 2-try rule here. I'm going to turn continuous off here. We took the next one, got the short. I mean, it's not going to get any better than this if it does end up working out for the short side and they're trapping them up at the highs, trying to pretend like they're going to go to high of day, and they don't. This is literally the best place I'm ever going to get on a play like this. There's king timing. I'll add to position if it's going to let me fill. Fill me. Fill me. Phyllis. Oh, Phyllis is being crazy today. She's not wanting me to fill. All right. Don't make me call Phil. You know, he's ornery. All right. Let's see it. If we start peeling in, I'm going to bring these in. Don't want to risk a lot here. I want to try to hold on to my... It is close to holding on to that 8K. If we start breaking above the crosses here, it's because we technically have a moonshot here as well. It's a double cross, top of a zone. Middle of the zone is here, but we're neutral. And the last thing we were on is buy side. Never went red. Don't like that. So risk is still here. Don't like the sound of that. Closing it. Nope, I'm holding it. We went buy side. So I can always re-enter, right? So I can always retry. If she goes and makes some run, pops up here. Now I've got a gold line reversal shot up here. I can load the boat right here. If I still think that we're going to come down. We're going to fake to high of day, which would be my assumption. Whenever you start to see crosses up around the high of day, that's usually people getting trapped into thinking that they're going to continue up. Just went back neutral. So 2 of the 4 nerds, NASDAQ, ES, RTY, and Dow, at least 2 of them have peeled back. Dow's not one of them. So I'm assuming NQ and what, RTY maybe? So if we get ES and Dow start turning and we start hitting red, I'm down with re-engaging. Oh, buddy. I mean, I gotta try it again. It's now a super moonshot enigma here. I have got to give that a shot. Right, and I'll put it right back here behind the gold line target. We break that, well then I was wrong and it sucks. But all right, giving it the go, giving it the old heave hove. Actually, I'm gonna naked that. I'm gonna go add stop, stops only here, and I'm putting that back there. There you go. Going for the off bigger, gonna go guns. And forward. All right, another cross up here. Triple cross, 3 wise men, but we are neutral. And we're under high of day. We'll talk through this later, but I have seen this so many times. You get crosses up underneath the high of day, ends up not going. They end up, it's people trying to get it. Let me go 1 here, so I'll ask, and then I'll bump back up to 4s. Didn't even fill me, that's a good sign. There you go, there you go. Good sign, wouldn't even let me fill. On an ask. Not a single contract not filling on the ask. Okay, baby, there we go. Bring me some sells. Take your profits, take your profits. Take your profits, do it, take your profits. Sticky, filthy profits. You longers. You longer strongers. 1200. On the Ligma Enigma. You let me ask there. Cool. Alright. 4s. Alright. Everybody get some 10K hype in the chat. If you're not in the trade, type me some 10K. Make this thing happen. Give me some 10K hype in the chat. Risking it all on the ball. Oh, don't go back to buy side. No, 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 no. Don't run amok. Don't run amok. Not gonna be. Not letting you.
Fib.em on the 38th.
38. Head dot. Okay. Oh. We got a 38 structure. Yeah, Ready DD is a very powerful thing. I should respect it. I should probably put it back here. It's going to be a 30 tick. I'm going to have to gotta give it a 30 tick respecter, and I can always half up if I need to, but Super Enigma Moonshot. Wit neutral! Oh, come on. Go red, baby. Come on. Do it. You can do it for daddy. There you go. There you go. Good girl. Good girl. That's a good girl. Now go red. Stop farting around with my emotions. 343. Oh, don't go back to buy side. Are you joking me? You're joking me. No, I'm not joking you. I'm choking you, bro. I would prefer if this is a little bit closer to the high of day, like really floating real close up to it. Like, what's our distance here from the high of day? 34 ticks. Like, if it was within like 20 or 25 ticks, it'd be better. Load it underneath and start getting crosses, and then oftentimes trap them in, peel them off. What's our time? 3:45 and about 30 seconds. 30 seconds for the 3:45. The final 15-minute bar. Oy vey, oy vey. All right, I got my thumb over the kill button. Got me on halves here. I don't know. It could go either way right here. I am on manual close. Manual. $3:45 is here. Still sitting here. Rude dude with an attitude. Oh no. That is a 3 wise men and long. Are you kidding me? Please drop. That is a 3 wise men and we're still moderate buy. Please shift neutral. Shift neutral. Make these 3 wise guys be wrong. I would love this if it was closer to high of day. I've told y'all before, you start to line up crosses right up underneath high of day. That's usually a good sign for like they ain't coming up there. They're not going to let them have any profits. That's usually good. So I'm loving that this is here, but I am not loving the speed. I wish this was faster because I am not a master of the patience. I don't know if you guys have noticed or not. Obviously, I am super duper patient. I'm a super patient person. You know what I mean? What am I talking about? Obviously, super patient guy. Absolutely. What am I talking about? The most patient person I know. No, stop laughing. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Another. Another. Oh, don't wreck me. Drop it. Come on, fake that high of day. You know you don't want to run another high of day. It's 3:47. Give up the goose. Let it loose. Yeah, I see your 4-legged dog over there. Get out of here. Those moments when you miss NQ. I miss NQ so much right now. This would be faking up so many times and it crosses up. It'd probably be closer to the high of day too. I think that's my problem. Some of this is that like all of my brain work is around NQ. So maybe I don't know, we're about to find out. Maybe the Dow gives a little more space to the high of day. Yeah, show me some love. Come on. Show me some love, Dow. Come on. Hmm. 348. Come on, king timing. King timing. Here she comes. Come on. King timing. There you go. King timing. Now drop it. Okay, fast move up. Medusa effect. Medusa, trap some people in there. Okay. Where I'm going, I'm all in. Let's go. Fake it. Fake it and make it. Fake 'em and bake 'em. Fake 'em and bake 'em. Bake 'em and bake 'em. Oh. Okay. Everybody thinking it's going to high of day and then don't. Everybody think it's going to high of day and then don't. Everybody think it's going to high of day and then don't. Then just start selling the crap out of it. You know how you do. I mean, that's what your buddy NQ does. Come on. Be like NQ. You know what to do. Bake 'em and bake 'em. Come on now. There you go. Another cross. There you
Double
go.
delta EM on the
There
one.
you go. Another cross. Let's go. Come on. Come on, Phyllis. Okay. Bake 'em and bake 'em. Everybody thinks it's going to high of day, and then don't. Don't wreck me. There's the stack of crosses. I was literally talking about this earlier today. Now, I've had, just experience points tell me, I've seen this. You're so close to high of day, everybody thinks it's going to fill that zone. Everybody's like, oh, it's going up there. And then it don't. There's your high of day. You're sitting right up there. Like all these orders start piling up underneath there, thinking it's going to get up to high of day. And I've seen it. I've been in it before. I'm like, oh yeah, it's going to get there. I just got to be patient. And it's going to go, it's going to go, it's going to go. And then all of a sudden it's just like, just doesn't let nobody out. And then they just get totally cordoned. I mean, if we hit that one, we could get a 20K day here. If it happens. If not, yeah, well, depends on how quickly I press the buttons or how fast this moves here any moment. I've got my left hand on hotkeys, right hand on halves. The 350 did nothing. Did you notice? The 350 algo literally did nothing. Another cross up here, folks. This is, I mean, I have seen this many times. Like, take a screenshot. You see this normally, well, at least my experience on NQ. We're close to high of day. It's like it will not go up there and touch it. It just floats underneath it, floats underneath it, floats underneath it, and then it just starts to slowly peel off in a nice little straight leg and gives nobody an opportunity to push that back up. You end up wrecking them. You see all the stops get hit. I've been on the other side of that, so that's what I'm expecting right now, just in case anybody wants to know. There's also a triple already up here, so I'm thinking that this should be a Titanic turn right here. But I am very heavy on this, and I am very nervous. All right, we just got a ready up on the. You know what though? I'm going balls deep. Let's go. Gonna channel my inner Tom Dante right now, and I'm going 40s. That is how much I am confident in the fact that I have seen this too many times. It looks like it's going up. It looks so much. It's the last minute. It's like, oh, I'm going to make some money here at the end of the day. It's going to go up there. It's going. Oh, yeah, it's going. It's going to get to higher day. I'm going to hit higher day. It's going to close out a higher day. It's going to make a new high right at the end of the day. And here's everybody lining up, pressing the buttons, getting in their pockets. And then watch, all up underneath these crosses. They're all locked in. And this price gets up underneath these crosses, and it's... Here we go, F6 right here. There's the line. Get underneath there, and folks, could be a 20, 25K day. Could be a 20, 25K day, or I could turn into a nothing burger too. I mean, I'm putting all 8K I've got on the line right now. Someone forgot to reboot the algos. Yeah, it felt like that at 350, didn't it? All right, I don't know. That's what I think is gonna happen. Not, I'm risking, that's 30 on 30. Oof, it's gonna be rough. That is gonna be rough. Yeah, I had to stop and see how much I'm risking here. Oof, I'm basically risking the whole pot. There's another cross. Like a boss. All right, here we go. Bake it. Bake and bake.
DCDMEM on the one.
Oh boy. Oh, I've lived this and I was on the other side of it so many times. I don't think it's gonna happen today. We'll see. Oh my goodness, you're gonna make me put it up back behind the ready up. Other note, the market has told me I was going to be wrong many, many times. And we'll see.
DCDMEM on the one.
Let this be the one. Let the battle begin. Y'all don't jinx me though. Don't say it's gonna drop. It's weird. Don't jinx it. If everybody starts saying it's gonna drop, it won't. I don't know why I'm so superstitious like that. There's all the crosses I'm talking about. This, remember, I literally said this earlier today. Roll back the tape to the morning. Like there's a scenario where it lays right up underneath high of day. Then everybody starts getting stacked up. They all think it's gonna push it, and then it doesn't, and it just starts to roll and roll and roll and roll and roll and roll off of it. Been on the other side of it too many times. Mentally recorded it. All right, give me the lock in. You know what though? Type lock in. Everybody type lock in though. Say that. Don't say the other thing we just said. Okay. Say lock in. Give me the lock in. You'll tell your dog. Yeah. Whisper it. Whisper it. Whisper it where Alexa, no one else around you can hear it. If you're going to say the other thing. Right now, just lock in. Lock in will be fine. Lock in. Lock in the crosses. Just start to slowly, they're still thinking they've got a position here. They still think they're good. They'll think they're okay. And then we sell off the end of the day. And we wind up down, up underneath the Titanic zone in this area right here. In the, under the sea. In the foundations of the earth. If you really knew what the shape of the earth was. Which if you went to public school, you don't. Just kidding. Some of you guys might know the real deal. Maybe some of you guys read your Bible. Three minutes of torture to wait. Ay, ay, vey. Hi, Vincent. How are you, sir? Good. What's that?
Double delta Eam on the
Oh, you
one.
want to slice the watermelon?
Yes.
Do you like watermelon?
Yes.
Is that your favorite fruit?
Yes, but can you slice it?
You want me to slice it for you?
Yes.
Okay, you got it, dude. Is it the biggest watermelon?
Yes.
I mean, is it the biggest fruit?
Yes.
Well, hopefully we get a giant watermelon P&L.
But can you slice it?
Yeah, well, hopefully we don't slice it yet, but I've got my finger over half just in case. Okay. So let's see if we get a big fat watermelon P&L or if we're gonna get nothing. It's a big O either way. It's a big watermelon or it's a big O, because I'm all in. Yeah.
It's a big O.
I know it's a big O. Don't say big O. Let's not jinx it. Say big watermelon.
Big one.
Say big watermelon, daddy.
Big one, my daddy.
Yeah. Say lock it in.
Lock it in.
Say lock it in under the white line.
Lock it in to lock line.
Yeah, do that. Lock it in. Do it.
Do it.
1 minute left till the close.
That kind of tickle me.
Can I tickle you? Yes. Tickles, tickles, come here, boy.
That can
No.
oats.
Oats. Oats. Okay, let me finish up. Uh-oh. Oh boy. Okay, fake them up and drop it. Don't wreck me. Is this the day it's just gonna come in and just tell me I'm wrong? Okay, another cross. There it is. All right. 30 seconds. Come on, lock it in, baby. Lock it in. Do the thing. You know you're not gonna go high a day. I've seen you 1,000 times. You never do it. You never do. You're just gonna lock in. Just get to the white line. Get to the white line and it's over. There it is. Game over. Game over. Game over. Game over. Game over. Here we go. Here we go. Game over. Here we go. Game over. Couldn't react to the 12.5 fast enough. Lock it in. Stay under that white line. So we tapped under. It's weird. It's going back up. I don't like that. That's not usually what you do, bro. There's everybody's orders are right here. And draw another white line here because this is the meat right here. Okay, take it back to the meat. Make everybody think they're gonna get it, and then they're gonna add to their position, and then drop me off, bro. Come on, come on. I was definitely over 10k. I was like 10 or 12k right there. Just thought, oh, I'm going for 20. Yeah, well, am I gonna be paid? Am I gonna have to pay for my greed? Today might be a day to pay for the greed, maybe. I don't know. Yeah, it hit R1. Yeah, tapped off of it. Took a bounce for the ounce, but no, I think it'll peel off till 415, hopefully. All right, so around 405, I'll peel half one way or the other. There's 402, 3 minutes on that. Neutral. Still have not seen red, did we? Never went all red, did it? It went red. When was the last red? Oh, it was a long time ago. Yeah. End of day never went to MACV red. Still in the Titanic zone. Crazy. I'm gonna punch a bracket and see how much that was. So here's the, so to the 12.5, as low as it went, that's 4. Yeah, so it's about 13,000. So it's 13,000 if I could pulled the trigger down here at the 12.5. Okay, 30 seconds till the 405s. I want to see that Gartley break. I do not want to see that hold. If the harmonics on the green side start holding, then the whole thought process of that has basically shifted and that was over. We want to see that harmonic break. Break that Gartley, break it. There we go. Oh, let's just go back to moderate buy. So, nope, didn't break. Oy vey. King timing coming up in a couple of butts. 3 bars. They don't like doing things on my timeline, do they? Coupon code SmartSaver is now there on the website. Launched it last night. It's open there for 3 days through Sunday. Then it'll go from $24.99. It'll go up $500. It'll be $29.97 after Sunday. So if you want to save the extra $500, last chance. $24.99, full auto, everything to celebrate ALGOBOX STX launching on November the 1st. Don't forget about that. And if you just click on the lifetime purchase, it already includes it, so you don't have to remember if you don't want to remember. Did I say Super Saver or Smart Saver? Hopefully I said Smart Saver. So Smart Saver. And it's already included. If you just click on the purchase link, it's already there. It'll say already includes coupon code Smart Saver. Or if you want to type it in, you can literally go on there and click on remove promotion, and then you can click on add promotion and type in Smart Saver, because if you're like me, I kind of like typing in coupon codes for some reason. I don't know, it's very, very cathartic. All right, I will keep you guys up to date on where we go here. I'm gonna start pulling half here any moment as we come up through this king timing. We'll talk more about it tomorrow morning. Thanks for hanging out. For me, Pippi, Robbie, Lunchbox, Mod Squad, Curtis G, and Eddie B, I am sitting out of Big H-Town. See ya. Art team, show them how it's done, just for fun.
the old adage where, you know, the individual investor doesn't have a chance because the institutional investor has better technology, better information, and, you know, more money and better opportunity, I don't think it's real anymore. I think the edge is on the individual investor because they're small, they're nimble, they can trade, they can use, they have better front-end technology.
Don't waste your time. Leave the technical analysis to us. You just play the game.
Rewind.
Forex is littered with crooks, black hat guys, all this kind of shifty characters and companies trying to extract money from your pocket and stick it into theirs. And one of the things that they do is operate these Forex signals.
Delta 5 loading. Long, look for long. Harmonic pattern. Pick up. One down on freeze. Order filled. Target filled.